Hey everyone, we wanted to show all you teachers how you can view your students in your class's assignment progress. So this is what you're going to see once you've logged in to your ExamRevision account. And you're going to want to go into the My Classes tab in the left sidebar. Then click on View beside whatever class you're looking to view the metrics for. Once this page loads, click on the Assignments tab at the top of the screen. Then you can click on View Assignment Progress beside whatever assignment that you're looking to view the metrics for. Once this page loads, you will be able to see all of the resources that you assigned for the assignment, and you will also be able to click in and view the resources. For examples, videos, notes, presentations, or quizzes. If you scroll down, you will see the list of students that are participating in the assignment. You will see their name, their status of the assignment, which can be completed, incomplete, or in progress. This first resource you can see was a quiz, and this student got 40% in the quiz. You can also see that they have completed the video resource, but not yet completed the notes resource. The student must complete 80% of the content for videos, notes, and presentations in order for the resource to be marked done. For the quizzes, they must complete the quiz and get their quiz score. Once all resources are complete, the assignment should show up as completed for both the student and the teacher. If it doesn't, please refresh the page as this is usually the issue. You can also delete an assignment when needed. Once you delete on your end, it will also be deleted from your student's dashboard. We really hope this video helped you guys out.